ABC প্রাথমিক জ্ঞান, he has no ABC about this matter. A bird of passage ববগুড়ে, the nomads are the birds of passage. A bed of roses পুষ্পসজ্জা বা সুখ স্বাচ্ছন্দ্যপূর্ণ জীবন, life is not a bed of roses. A bed of thorns কণ্টক সজ্জা বা কণ্টকময় জীবন, worldly life is nothing but a bed of thorns. Above all সর্বোপরি বা প্রধানত, we should be kind, polite and above all honest. Acid test চূড়ান্ত পরীক্ষা, his acid test is going. A fool's paradise বুকার স্বর্গ, he is living in a fool's paradise. A gala day উৎসবের দিন, the 16th December is a gala day for us. A hard nut to crack বড় ধরনের সমস্যা, the unemployment problem is a hard nut to crack in Bangladesh. Bird's eye view এক নজর দর্শন, we took a bird's eye view of the scenery. A far cry বিশাল ব্যবধান বা পার্থক্য, this flat is a far cry from the house they had before. A fish out of water অস্বস্তিকর অবস্থা, my condition is just like a fish out of water. A man of straw দুর্বল চিত্তের লোক, a man of straw never wins a race. A sitting duck সহজ লক্ষ্যবস্তু, with their bullets all gone, the soldiers were sitting ducks for the enemy. A snake in the grass গোপন শত্রু বা লুকানো বিপদ, a snake in the grass is very dangerous. A square peg in a round hole অনুপযোগী, he is a square peg in a round hole for the post. A stone's throw কাছাকাছি, the hotel is just a stone's throw from the beach. A storm in a teacup তুচ্ছ বিষয়ে প্রচণ্ড আলোড়ন, don't raise a storm in a teacup on this simple issue. A trying time কঠিন সময়, after flood we are passing through a trying time. A vicious circle দুষ্টচক্র, a vicious circle is a situation which cannot be changed. Add up হিসাব মেলানো, I can't understand why she did it. It really does not add up. After one's own heart মনের মতো, she is a woman after my own heart. All at once হঠাৎ, all at once the baby began to cry. All in পরিশ্রান্ত, I felt all in after the meeting. An early bird যে আগে ওঠে বা আগে আসে, he is always an early bird in the meeting. Apple of discord বিবাদের মূল, a piece of land was the apple of discord between two countries. As good as বলতে গেলে, my children are as good as gold. As per সমানতালে, in our country the salary is not increasing as per price hike. At all costs যে কোনো মূল্যে, we must at all costs catch the 7:30 train. At arm's length নিরাপদ দূরত্বে, we should keep bad boys at arm's length. At daggers drawn ভীষণ শত্রুতায়, they were at daggers drawn after the disagreement. At whom in দক্ষ, he is at whom in English. At whom আরাম, I never feel at home in Dhaka city. At one's wit's end হতবুদ্ধি, hearing the news of his death, I was at one's wit's end. At stake বিপন্ন, my life is at stake now. Avail oneself of সুযোগ নেয়া, guests are encouraged to avail themselves of the full range of facilities. A lot of অনেক বা প্রচুর, he has a lot of money. A man of words এক কথার লোক, he is a man of words. A great deal of অনেক বা প্রচুর, he has a great deal of money. An irony of fate ভাগ্যের নির্মম পরিহাস, it is an irony of fate that he could not succeed in life. Again and again বারবার, he is doing the same crime again and again. Apart from এটি ব্যতীত, apart from being honest, he is also hardworking. All but প্রায়, he is all but on the verge of ruin. All the year round সারা বছর, the poor are born to suffer all the year round. All over সর্বত্র বা সবখানে, he is known all over the country. All the better আরো ভালো, if you don't come it is all the better. As a result ফলে, he worked hard and as a result he succeeded in life. As well বা বরং, he may as well go with me. As long as যতক্ষণ পর্যন্ত, you should wait for him as long as he doesn't return. As far as যতদূর, as far as my knowledge goes, he is an honest man. As far as possible যতদূর সম্ভব, we should help the poor as far as possible. As much as যতটুকু সম্ভব বা যতদূর সম্ভব, you may eat as much as you can. As though যেন, he speaks as though he were mad. At past hand সরাসরি, I knew nothing about the matter at past hand. At once তৎক্ষণাৎ, he did the work at once. At present বর্তমানে, at present I am living in Dhaka. At first প্রথমে বা প্রথমত, at first take my salam. At the latest সর্বশেষ, he was at the latest candidate. At any cost যে কোনো প্রকারে বা যে কোনো মূল্যে, I will do the work at any cost. At a glance এক নজরে, I looked at the book at a glance. At every step পদে পদে, I faced problem at every step of my life. At the risk of ঝুঁকি সত্ত্বেও, he saved the child at the risk of his life. At fault দোষী, it is proved that he was at fault. At first sight প্রথম দৃষ্টিতে, I was able to recognize him at first sight. At leisure অবসর সময়ে, I like to read novel at leisure. At the close of শেষে, birds return to their nests at the close of the day. A rainy day দুর্দিন বা কঠিন সময় বা দুঃসময়, everybody should save something for rainy days. All in all সর্বে সর্বা, the headmaster is all in all in the school. All on বা of a sudden হঠাৎ, Runa entered the room all on a sudden. After all মোটের উপর, Mr. Khan is after all a very popular principal. As if যেন, he speaks as if he know everything. At all although, I am not at all aware of their quarrel. At whom আরামপ্রদ অবস্থা বা বাড়িতে, I feel is at home. At last অবশেষে, the chief guest came at last. At least ন্যূনপক্ষে বা কমপক্ষে, a rickshaw puller earns at least টাকা 500 a day. At 6 and 7 নয় ছয় বা এলোমেলো, all things lay at 6 and 7 in the room. At large মুক্তভাবে, the cows are grazing at large in the field. A man of letters পণ্ডিত বা বিদ্বান ব্যক্তি, We should respect the man of letters. At random, অগুচালুভাবে. He keep the books at random on the table. At the 11th hour, শেষ মুহূর্তে. We reached the station just at the 11th hour. All the same, একই. I think that it is almost all the same. According to, অনুসারে বা মতে. According to the old man, Rana is guilty. As well as, ও বা এবং. Shima as well as her sister is a good student. As soon as, যত দ্রুত সম্ভব. Please send me 1000 টাকা as soon as. As usual, যথারীতি বা অভ্যাস অনুসারে. He started for school at 10 a.m. as usual. At a loss, কিংকর্তব্য বিমূঢ় বা হতবুদ্ধি. I am at a loss at decide what to do now. At a time, একবারই. You can only select one item at a time. At times, মাঝে মাঝে বা কখনো কখনো. At times, he loses his temper. All day long, সারাদিন বা সারাদিন ব্যাপী. She waited for his call all day long, but it never came. A fantasy, কল্পিত গল্প. She often daydreams about a fantasy world full of adventure. An ordinance, অধ্যাদেশ. The town enacted an ordinance to ban smoking in public places. After all, সর্বোপরি বা তৎসত্ত্বেও বা মোটের উপর বা সে যাহা হোক. I decided to go to the party. After all, it's my best friend's birthday. Greenhorn, অনভিজ্ঞ মানুষ. He is still a greenhorn at the job, but he is learning fast. All in once, আকস্মিকভাবে. The news hit us all in once, leaving us speechless. At a stretch, একটানা. He can work for hours at a stretch without a break. Flying visit, অল্প সময় পরিদর্শন. She made a flying visit to the office for a quick meeting. Base word, মূল শব্দ. Students are asked to make sentences with the base word. Bear fruit, ফলপ্রসূ হওয়া. The dialogue between India and Pakistan did not bear any fruit. Behind the scene, গোপনে. He helped my enemy behind the scene. Belong to, অধিকারে থাকা. This house belongs to me. Between two fires, উভয় সংকট. I am between two fires, whether I should go abroad or not. Because of, জন্যে বা কারণে. I could not go to school because of my bad headache. Bread and butter, জীবিকা. He earns his bread and butter by the sweat of his brow. Break butterfly on the wheel, মশা মারতে কামান দাগা. We will not break butterfly on the wheel. Build castles in the air, আকাশ কুসুম কল্পনা করা. Be practical and don't build castles in the air. By heart, মুখস্থ করা. He has got the poems by heart. By note, না বুঝে মুখস্থ করা. Students should not learn anything by note. By the way, প্রসঙ্গত. By the way, how is he? By any means, যেভাবেই হোক. I will help him by any means. Beggar description, অবর্ণনীয় হওয়া বা বর্ণনাতীত. The miseries of the flood hit people. Beggar description. Bag and baggage, তল্পি তল্পা সহ. The students left the hostel bag and baggage. Bad blood, শত্রুতা. There is bad blood between the two leaders. Blowbird, আভিজাত্য. One should not be proud of blow blood. Burning question, গুরুত্বপূর্ণ প্রশ্ন. Population explosion is the burning question of the day. By dint of, দ্বারা বা কল্যাণে বা সাহায্যে. He succeeds in life by dint of hard work. Birds of the same feather, সমগোত্রীয় লোক, birds of the same feather flock together. Black and white, লিখিতভাবে, the workers insist that the assurance should be given in black and white. Bolt from the blue, বিনা মেঘে বজ্রপাত, the death news of this father came to him as a bolt from the blue. By hook or by crook, যে কোনো উপায়ে, all the wicked boys should be put down by hook or by crook. Bed of roses, পুষ্পসজ্জা, life is not a bed of roses. Black sheep, কুলাঙ্গার, there are some black sheep in every society. Bosom friend, ঘনিষ্ঠ বন্ধু, he is my bosom friend. By virtue of, বলে বা গুণে, he claimed a pension by virtue of his long service. By trance, পর্যায়ক্রমে, they worked in the garden by trance. By the by, কথা প্রসঙ্গে, by the by, he told me about his plan. Bring to light, প্রকাশ করা, the secret was brought to light. Be in hot water, ঝামেলায় পড়া, if the headmaster sees you doing this, you will be in hot water. Beat about the bush, ঘুরিয়ে বলা, Robin has a habit of beating about the bush. Believe one's ears, বিস্মিত হওয়া, he could not believe his ears. Below the belt, অবৈধ কিছু করা, her comments hid below the belt. Below the mark, আদর্শ মানের নিচে, the commodities supplied by you are below the mark. Between the devil and deep sea, মহা সংকটে, surrounded by the ill politics, Bangladeshis are now between the devil and deep sea. Bill of fare, মেনু বা খাদ্য তালিকা, please show me the bill of fare. Blow chips, নিরাপদ বিনিয়োগ, garments industry is considered to be a blow chips. Bombard with question, প্রশ্নবাণে জর্জরিত করা, the ambassador was bombarded with questions. Bon voyage, শুভ সফর বা সফর শুভ হোক, bon voyage, see you again. Bone of contention, বিবাদের কারণ, the piece of land was a bone of contention between the two countries. Bottom line, গুরুত্বপূর্ণ বিষয়, the bottom line is that we need more money to run the project. Bring to book, ভর্ৎসনা করা বা শাস্তি দেয়া, he was brought to book for stealing money. By and large, অধিকাংশ বা মোটের উপর, I have collected 5 pence by and large. By fits and starts, অনিয়মিতভাবে, the prices of daily necessaries increase by fits and starts. By leaps and bounds, দ্রুতগতিতে, prices of essentials are increasing by leaps and bounds. By means of, কোনোভাবে বা উপায়ে, you can prosper in life by means of hard labor. By no means, কোনোভাবে না, he can by no means help me. Carry coals to Newcastle, তেলা মাথায় তেল দেয়া, the government is now carrying coals to Newcastle. Carry the day, জয় করা বা মন জয় করা, I hope you will be able to carry the day for us. Come into force, কার্যকরী হওয়া, the new tax policy will come into force at the beginning of the next financial year. Come off with flying colors, জয়ী হওয়া, at last our team came off with flying colors from the tournament. Come to terms, আপোষ করা, the two groups could not come to terms. ক্রাইম ইন কোল্ড ব্লাড, সুচিন্তিত ঠান্ডা মাথার অপরাধ। নট মেনি পিপল ক্যান কমিট সাচ এ ড্রেডফুল ক্রাইম ইন কোল্ড ব্লাড। ক্রাই ইন দ্য ওয়াইল্ডারনেস, অরণ্যে রুদন। আস্কিং ফিনান্সিয়াল সাপোর্ট ফর মাই ব্রাদার, I only cried in the wilderness. Culpable homicide, শাস্তিযোগ্য অপরাধ। The government denied the culpable homicide of the police commissioner. Cut a set figure, ভালো করতে না পারা। She cut a set figure in her last performance on the stage. Capital punishment, মৃত্যুদণ্ড। The murderer was given capital punishment. Call in, ডেকে আনা। Please call in a doctor. Cannot but, না করে পারা যায় না। I cannot but help my younger brother. Carry out, পালন করা। Students must carry out the orders of their teachers. Cats and dogs, মুষলধারে। It has been raining cats and dogs since morning. Come round, আরোগ্য লাভ করা। The patient will come round soon. Crocodile tears, মায়া কান্না। When we are in danger, many false friends come to shed crocodile tears. Come out, বের হওয়া বা প্রকাশিত হওয়া। Suddenly a tiger came out of the cave. Cram with, না বুঝে মুখস্থ করা। Most of the students cram with their answers without understanding things. Contact with, যোগাযোগ করা। I finally made contact with him in Paris. Come true, সত্য বলে প্রমাণিত হওয়া। Scientist made humans dream come true. Carry on, চালিয়ে যাওয়া। He carries on his education by hard effort. Compare to, তুলনায়। A country is called overpopulated when there are too many people in a country compared to its size. Commit to memory, মুখস্থ করা। Nobody should commit everything to memory. Chicken hearted, ভীরু বা দুর্বল চিত্ত। A chicken hearted man like you cannot do it. Cook and bull story, কাল্পনিক কাহিনী। A cook and bull story makes us laugh only. Come to light, গোপনীয়তা ফাঁস হওয়া। The secret has come to light. Cut a sorry figure, খারাপ ফলাফল। He cut a sorry figure in the examination. Cut a good figure, ভালো ফলাফল। He cut a good figure in the final examination. Cut short, সংক্ষেপ করা। Please cut short your lecture. Call it a day, কাজ বন্ধ করা। Let us call it a day and go home. Daydream, দিবা স্বপ্ন। Those who pass their time in a daydream lag behind in all respects. Dead letter, অকার্যকর। Many British shows are now dead letters. Dog days, দুঃসময় বা সবচেয়ে গরমের দিন। The dog days in Bangladesh are unbearable. Draw the line, সীমা নির্ধারণ করা। He is always been generous with his time, but he draws the line at working weekends. Day by day, দিনে দিনে। The political situation of the country is deteriorating day by day. Dry out, শুকিয়ে যাওয়া। The pond has dried out. Due to, কারণে বা জন্যে। The accident is due to carelessness. Depend on বা upon, নির্ভর করা। I never like to depend on others. Deal with, আচরণ করা। He does not know how to deal with others. Desire to, আকাঙ্ক্ষা করা বা ইচ্ছা করা। I desire to help all men, but I have no ability to do that. End in smoke, ব্যর্থতায় পর্যবেসিত হওয়া। All my attempts to establish a college ended in smoke. Every now and again, মাঝে মাঝে। My uncle sees me every now and again. Epoch making, যুগান্তকারী. The independence of Bangladesh is an epoch making event in history. Equal to, সমান. Everybody is equal to the eyes of the law. Essential for, প্রয়োজনীয়. Wide reading is essential for cutting a brilliant figure in the examination. Every now and then, মাঝে মাঝে বা প্রায়ই. I visit them every now and then. Expert in, দক্ষ. He is expert in English. Every inch, শুরু থেকে শেষ. The house was every inch spotless after the cleaning. Face to face, মুখোমুখি বা সরাসরি. I prefer to talk face to face. From cradle to grave, ধুল না হতে কবর পর্যন্ত. Everyone learns something from cradle to grave. From time to time, মাঝে মাঝে. He comes to me from time to time. Fair play, ন্যায় বিচার. Everybody wants fair play. Far away, খুব দূরে. Dhaka is far away from Sylhet. Fall a victim to, শিকার হওয়া. He has fallen a victim to circumstances. Far off, বহু দূরে. Dhaka is not far off from here. Fool's paradise, বুকার স্বর্গ. You are living in fool's paradise, I see. Free and easy, সহজ সরল. Great men lead a free and easy life. From top to bottom, আগাগোড়া. He is a perfect gentleman from top to bottom. From bad to worse, ক্রমে খারাপ হওয়া. His condition is going from bad to worse day by day. Flesh and blood, রক্ত মাংসের দেহ. Flesh and blood cannot bear this insult. Friends leave, বিনা ছুটিতে অনুপস্থিত. Many clerks stay away from office on friends leave. From hand to mouth, দিন এনে দিন খাওয়া বা কোনো রকমে. Most people in Bangladesh live from hand to mouth. Free trade, অবাধ বাণিজ্য. Now most of the countries of the world evaluate free trade. Free from, মুক্ত করা. It is very difficult to make the country free from illiteracy. For example, উদাহরণস্বরূপ. For example, a reckless driver can harm a lot to other people's lives and properties. For this purpose, এ উদ্দেশ্যে. We know that united we stand, divided we fall. For this purpose, we should work unitedly. For the benefit, উপকারার্থে. We should work unitedly for the benefit of ours. Full of, পূর্ণ. The pond is full of water. For that reason, সে কারণে. For that reason, we should work hard for the development of the country. Fit for, উপযোগী. This jacket is perfect and fit for cold weather. For good or forever, চিরতরে. He left the country for good. Gain ground, সুবিধা পাওয়া. The wise are sure to gain ground in the long run. Get by heart, মুখস্থ করা. She got the paragraph by heart. Get the upper hand, প্রাধান্য পাওয়া. At last, the beast in him got the upper hand. Give a hand, সাহায্য করা. If you give me a hand, I shall be able to finish more quickly. Give my right arm, বিপদে ঝুঁকি নেওয়া. I would give my right arm if I could get tickets for the concert. Give way, ভেঙে পড়া. The weight was too much and the pillar gave way. Greek to, অপরিচিত. I know nothing about the language. It is all Greek to me. Give and take, আদান প্রদান. Mutual relationship depends on the principle of give and take. Go astray, গুল্লায় যাওয়া. He has gone astray by mixing with the bad boys. Go mad, পাগল হওয়া. He has gone mad to get married with his beloved. Get rid of, মুক্ত হওয়া বা পরিত্রাণ পাওয়া. We should get rid of false friends. Go to the dogs, গুল্লায় যাওয়া. Many students have gone to the dogs by way of bad politics. Gala day, আনন্দের দিন. The 1st of May is a gala day for the laborers. Go all out, কঠিন চেষ্টা. They decided to go all out for the wedding. Half a chance, সামান্য সুযোগ. I have got half a chance to prepare myself. Hand in glove, ঘনিষ্ঠ. The chairman is hand in glove with the snatchers. Hard and fast, বাঁধা ধরা. Tagore and Nazrul hardly follow the hard and fast rule of school life. Hard up, অভাবগ্রস্ত. Please lend me some money. I am hard up now. Hid in the cloud, আকাশ কুসুম কল্পনা. You should not have your head in the cloud about your result. Heart of heart, অন্তরের অন্তঃস্থলে. In my heart of heart, I deplored his obstinacy. Heart to heart, অন্তরঙ্গ ভাব. They are always heart to heart friends. Herculean task, দুঃসাধ্য কাজ. She faces the Herculean task of bringing up 4 children single-handedly. Hit the roof, রাগান্বিত হওয়া. He hit the roof for his misconduct. Hot water, অসুবিধা. If you are caught playing in the mud, you will really be in hot water. Hair breadth escape, অল্পের জন্য রক্ষা পাওয়া. I had a hair breadth escape from the accident yesterday. Hallmark, বিশুদ্ধতা চিহ্ন. The rose is the hallmark of beauty and purity. Heather and tether, এখানে সেখানে. He is moving hither and thither. Hole and corner, লুকোচুরি বা দুর্নীতি করা. You should not adopt the principle of hole and corner if you like to solve a problem. Hodgepodge, জগা খিচুড়ি. He has made a hodgepodge of everything. Hurly-burly, হইচই. Don't make a hurly-burly here. Hard nut to crack, কঠিন বিষয়. To me this sum is a hard nut to crack. Heart and soul, সর্বান্তঃকরণে বা প্রাণপণে. A good student studies heart and soul to gather knowledge. It is high time or high time, যথোপযুক্ত সময়. It is high time that the government came forward to stop environmental pollution. Hue and cry, শোরগোল. They raised a hue and cry at the sight of the tiger. In a body, একত্রে. Students entered the headmaster's room in a body. In a hurry, তাড়াহুড়া. I am in a hurry to go there. In abeyance, মুলতবি. His transfer order has been kept in abeyance. In all, সর্বমোট. In all, 500 people were present in the meeting. In due time, যথাসময়ে. He will come in due time. In harmony with, মিলেমিশে. We should work for the development of the country in harmony with others. In cash, নগদ. I will pay the bill in cash. In the guise of, ছদ্মবেশে. The robber came in the guise of a beggar. In preference to, অধিক পছন্দনীয়. He took tea in preference to coffee. In order to, উদ্দেশ্য. We should read widely in order to gain knowledge. in order that যাতে বা যাহাতে we should work hard in order that we can shine in life. In response to জবাবে in response to the advertisement he has applied for the post. In this regard এ ব্যাপারে he knows everything in this regard. In good faith সরল বিশ্বাসে I gave him the advice in good faith but he took it otherwise. In lieu of পরিবর্তে Safia took up biology in lieu of mathematics. In spite of সত্ত্বেও he came in spite of rain. In the long run পরিণামে if you are lazy you have to suffer in the long run. Ins and outs টুকিটাকি I know the ins and outs of the affair. In a nutshell সংক্ষেপে she left the classroom telling her story in a nutshell. In cold blood সুচিন্তিতভাবে ঠান্ডা মাথায় he committed the crime in cold blood. In deep water সমস্যাগ্রস্ত I am in deep water now. In good time যথাসময়ে you will know the truth in good time. In high spirits মহাখুশি today he is in high spirits. In no time শীঘ্রই I shall come back in no time. In seventh heaven মহাখুশি Najma was in seventh heaven when she heard about her son's result. In the teeth of প্রতিকূল অবস্থায় trying unitedly we were able to have our project approved in the teeth of strong opposition. In the wake of ঠিক পরে the police came in the wake of the accident. In vain বৃথা he shouted for help in vain. In case যদি বা পাছে যদি আবার এমন ঘটে যে in case you need help don't hesitate to call me. In accordance with অনুসারে the project was completed in accordance with the timeline provided. In view of বিবেচনা বা পরিপ্রেক্ষিতে বা দৃষ্টিগোচর অবস্থা বা নিমিত্তে in view of the upcoming deadlines we decided to prioritize the most urgent tasks first. In a fix হতভম্ব বা উভয় সংকট I am in a fix because I lost my keys. Kith and kin আত্মীয় স্বজন we should look after our kith and kin. No bounds বর্ণনাতীত বা সীমাহীনভাবে the orphan's sufferings after the death of his father knew no bounds. Keep an eye নজর রাখা please keep an eye on the baby. Keep nose out of something এড়িয়ে চলা বা নাক না গলানো you should keep your nose out of our personal problem. Keep up কাউকে বা কোনো কিছুকে দূরে সরিয়ে রাখা it's best to keep off fried foods if you are trying to eat healthier. Keep your chin up সাহসের সঙ্গে এগিয়ে চলা keep your chin up brighter days are ahead. Lag behind পেছনে পড়ে থাকা our country lags behind because many of our people do not get proper education. Laughing stock হাসির পাত্র this costume will make me a laughing stock. Linked to সংযুক্ত this accident is linked to corruption. Live on কে বেঁচে থাকা the cow lives on grass. Lot of অধিক সংখ্যক বা প্রচুর there are a lot of people in the shops. Long since অনেক দিন পূর্বে I met her long since. Look after যত্ন নেওয়া বা দেখাশোনা করা parents look after their children. Lump sum এককালীন দেওয়া টাকা he received a lump sum for completing the job successfully. Less than কম 1 liter is less than 1 kilogram. Long before অনেক পূর্বে the accident took place long before. Lack of অভাব বা ঘাটতি The plants died for lack of water. Learn by heart, মুখস্থ করা। It is not scientific to learn anything by heart. Look for, খুঁজা বা অনুসন্ধান করা। I am looking for a better job. Live in, বাস করা। Man lives in houses in order to remain safe. Lift up, উত্তোলন করা। Monica lifted up her hands to untie the hairband. Loops and fishes, ব্যক্তিগত লাভ। The selfish always think of their own loops and fishes. Make waves, সমস্যা সৃষ্টি করা। The new policy is set to make waves in the company. Man for all seasons, অনেক বিষয়ে পারদর্শী। He is truly a man for all seasons, handling any challenge with ease. Make good, ক্ষতিপূরণ করা। He worked hard to make good on his mistakes. Make money, প্রচুর অর্থ উপার্জন করা। Some businessmen are making money by dishonest means. Make sure, নিশ্চিত করা। Make sure that no one knows about this. Milk and water, দুর্বল এবং নিরস। Your argue in this matter is milk and water. Mission in life, জীবনের লক্ষ্য। The mission in my life is to be an honest and sincere politician. Most of, অধিকাংশ বা বেশিরভাগ। Most of the people of Bangladesh are illiterate and poverty stricken. Middle of, মাঝামাঝি। They were in the middle of dinner when I called. Means of, উপায়। Try to find out ways and means of solving the problem. Make up one's mind, মনস্থির করা। I made up my mind to start a business in Dhaka. Man of letters, বিদ্বান ব্যক্তি। Everybody respects a man of letters. Make good, ক্ষতিপূরণ করা। I shall make good of the loss. Make sure, নিশ্চিত হওয়া। Make sure that you are going in the right direction. Maiden speech, প্রথম বক্তৃতা। My maiden speech fascinated all. Make a case, যুক্তি দেখানো। He made a case for the expansion of cottage industries. Make both ends meet, কোনো মতে জীবন ধারণ করা। Now, therefore, make both ends meet. Make hay while the sun shines, চুপ বুঝে কূপ মারা। Try to make hay while the sun shines. Make sense, বুঝতে পারা। I wanted to build a bookcase but I could not make sense of the instruction. Man of straw, অপদার্থ। A man of straw like you cannot do it. Move heaven and earth, সম্ভাব্য সব করা। He moved heaven and earth to win the election. Most of all, প্রধানত। Most of all, I love spending time with my family. Much more than, আরো অধিক। The dinner was much more than delicious. It was an unforgettable experience. Make the grade, সন্তোষজনক হওয়া। After months of training, he finally made the grade and was promoted to manager. Miss the boot, সুযোগ হারানো। I wanted to apply for the job, but I missed the boot because I didn't submit my application on time. Man of mark, বিখ্যাত ব্যক্তি। He was considered a man of mark in the business world, known for his innovation and leadership. Man to man, খোলাখুলিভাবে। We need to have a man-to-man conversation to clear up any misunderstanding. Narrow escape, অল্পের জন্য রক্ষা। Yesterday I had a narrow escape from a terrible accident. Near at hand, নিকট ভবিষ্যতে। Our exam is near at hand. No sooner than, যে মুহূর্তে। No sooner had the rain stopped than he went out. নিপ ইন দ্য বাড, অঙ্কুরে বিনষ্ট হওয়া। আফটার দ্য ডেথ অফ হিজ ফাদার, অল হিজ হোপস ওয়ার নিপড ইন দ্য বাড। নাল অ্যান্ড ভয়েড, বাতিল। আফটার দ্য অ্যামেন্ডমেন্ট অফ দ্য কনস্টিটিউশন, দিস ল বিকেম নাল অ্যান্ড ভয়েড। নট অনলি, কেবল নয়। হি ইজ নট অনলি ফর বাট অলসো লেজি। নিড ফর, প্রয়োজন। দেয়ার উইল অলওয়েজ বি এ নিড ফর ডেডিকেটেড টিচার্স। নো ডাউট, সন্দেহহীন। হি ইজ নো ডাউট এ লায়ার। নাও অ্যান্ড দেন, মাঝে মধ্যে বা যখন তখন। হি ভিজিটস আওয়ার হাউস নাও অ্যান্ড দেন। নেভার টু রিটার্ন, ফিরে আসার নয়। দ্য গুড ডেজ হ্যাভ গন, নেভার টু রিটার্ন। নার্স এ গ্রেডস, বিদ্বেষ বা ঘৃণা পোষণ করা। হি নার্সেস এ গ্রেডস এগেনস্ট মি। নেক্সট টু, পাশে। শি সেট নেক্সট টু হার বেস্ট ফ্রেন্ড ডিউরিং দ্য কনসার্ট। নার্ভস অফ স্টিল, খুব সাহসী লোক। দ্য ফায়ার ফাইটার শোড নার্ভস অফ স্টিল হোয়েন রেস্কিউইং দ্য ফ্যামিলি। নট বর্ন ইয়েস্টারডে, অভিজ্ঞ। I am not born yesterday. I can tell when you are lying. Name after, নামকরণ করা। The baby was named after his father. New ball game, নতুন পরিবেশ। Starting my own business is a new ball game for me. Not cricket, অন্যায়। Cheating during the match is not cricket. Nut out, সমাধান খোঁজা। We need to nut out the details before the meeting. Of late, সম্প্রতি। I haven't seen him of late. Off and on, মাঝে মধ্যে। He comes here off and on. On account of, কারণে বা জন্যে। He could not attend the function on account of his illness. On the other hand, অন্যদিকে বা পক্ষান্তরে। Mr. Smith is a British and on the other hand, his wife is an Indian. On good terms, সুসম্পর্ক থাকা। We are on good terms with our neighbors. On the occasion of, উপলক্ষে। We arranged a function on the occasion of our Victory Day. On and on, ক্রমাগত বা চলতেই থাকা। The game went on and on until one side scored a goal. Odds and ends, ছোটখাটো কাজ। I have got a few odds and ends to do. Out of date, মেয়াদ উত্তীর্ণ। We should not buy a product which is out of date. Out of stock, মজুত না থাকা। The government has decided to import rice as it is now out of stock. Out of doors, বাইরে বা খোলা জায়গায়। The boy spends most of his time out of doors. On behalf of, পক্ষে। Mr. Khan spoke in the meeting on behalf of the people of this village. On the contrary, বিপরীত পক্ষে। He expected the test to be easy. On the contrary, it was much more challenging than he had anticipated. Open secret, যে গোপন সর্বজন বিদিত। It is an open secret that many students pass in the examinations by unfair means. Out and out, হাড়ে হাড়ে। This man is out and out a loafer. Of course, অবশ্যই বা নিশ্চয়ই। Of course, he will return soon. On foot, পদব্রজে বা পায়ে হেঁটে। He came here on foot. Of one's own accord, স্বেচ্ছা। He sent me some money of his own accord. On a razor's edge, সংকটাপন্ন। His life is on a razor's edge. On the spur of the moment, কণিক উত্তেজনা বসে। Do not take any decision on this matter on the spur of the moment. Once again, পুনর্বার বা আবার। I want to look into the issue once again. Once for all, শেষবারের মতো। I want to settle the issue once for all. Outbreak বিস্তার. The outbreak of cholera tolls a high rate death. Out of place বেমানান. The boy is out of place among the adults. Out of sorts অসুস্থ. I feel out of sorts today. Out of the wood ঝামেলামুক্ত বা বিপদমুক্ত. He is out of the wood now. Over head and ears বিপদের মধ্যে নিমজ্জিত. At present Bangladesh is over head and ears in problems. Over head and ears গভীরভাবে. He engaged in his studies over head and ears. Owing to জন্যে বা কারণে. The game is cancelled owing to torrential rain. On purpose ইচ্ছাকৃতভাবে. She did it on purpose to surprise me. Pick one's pocket pocket মারা. While I was passing my way through the crowd, someone picked my pocket. Provide with যোগান দেয়া. Parents provide their children with food and clothes. Part and parcel অবিচ্ছেদ্য অংশ. A library is a part and parcel of a school. Pin money স্ত্রীকে প্রদত্ত হাত খরচ. Mrs. Sleepy requested her husband to increase the amount of pin money. Play hide and seek লুকোচুরি খেলা. The children were playing hide and seek. Put off ফেলে রাখা বা মুলতবি করা. Do not put off your lesson for tomorrow. Put out নেবানো. Put out the lamp. Pick a quarrel with ঝগড়া বাঁধানো. Never pick a quarrel with the neighbors. Potluck অনিশ্চিত ভাগ্য. You should not depend on your potluck. Price index মূল্য তালিকা. Let me check the price index. Pros and cons খুঁটিনাটি বা ভালো মন্দ বা উভয় দিক. To take a decision, it needs to think of pros and cons of the matter. Put heads together একত্রে বসে পরামর্শ করা. They put their heads together to take a decision. Quote from memory মুখস্থ বলা. Quote some lines of Hamlet from memory. Rainy day দুর্দিন. Save something for the rainy days. Rather than বরঞ্চ. I prefer death rather than begging. Refer to উল্লেখ করা বা নির্দেশ করা. Don't refer to this matter again, please. Rag day ছাত্রছাত্রীদের বার্ষিক আনন্দ বা হইচই করার দিন. Students enjoy the rag day every year. Red letter day স্মরণীয় দিন. The Independence Day of Bangladesh is a red letter day. Red handed হাতে নাতে. The thief was caught red handed. Raise one's eyebrow চোখ কপালে তোলা বা বিস্মিত হওয়া. He raised his eyebrow at my explanation. Read between the lines মর্মার্থ বোঝা. To understand it, read between the lines. Roadblock প্রতিবন্ধক. His poor health is the main roadblock to his promotion. Run riot দাঙ্গা বাঁধানো. They wanted to run riot. Run short ফুরিয়ে যাওয়া. I ran short of money. Search for সন্ধান করা বা খুঁজা বা অনুসন্ধান করা. I am searching for an accommodation. Seat of learning বিদ্যাপীঠ. A university is the highest seat of learning. Set out যাত্রা করা. We shall set out for Dhaka at dawn. Shortcut সংক্ষিপ্ত পথ. There is no shortcut to success. Short of কমতি বা ঘাটতি থাকা. We are short of money. Slow down গতি কমিয়ে দেওয়া. Traffic jam has slowed down city life. Slow and steady ধীরস্থির. স্লো অ্যান্ড স্টেডি উইন্স দ্য রেস। সো সো, খুব ভালো নয় বা খুব মন্দও নয়। আই এম সো সো। সো ফার, এতদূর পর্যন্ত। সো ফার হি হ্যাজ ডান ওয়েল। স্ট্রাইক ওয়ার্ক, ধর্মঘট করা। ওয়ার্কার্স ওয়েন্ট অন স্ট্রাইক ওয়ার্ক টু এস্টাবলিশ দেয়ার ডিমান্ড। স্ট্যান্ড টু রিজন, যুক্তিসঙ্গত। ইট স্ট্যান্ডস টু রিজন দ্যাট হি উইল লিভ দ্য জব if he is not paid enough. Subject to, অধীন। Man is subject to death. Safe and sound, নিরাপদে। They reached home in the storm safe and sound. Shoulder to shoulder, কাঁধে কাঁধ মিলিয়ে। Men and women should work shoulder to shoulder for the development of the country. Sine die, অনির্দিষ্টকালের জন্য। The school was closed sine die because of the students rioting. Small fry, chunuputi. Instead of catching the big smugglers, the policemen ran after the small fry. Spare no pains, চেষ্টার ত্রুটি না করা। Shirin spared no pains to become a good actress. Summer friends, সুসময়ের বন্ধু। We should be careful about the summer friends who do not stand by us in our danger. Skin and bone, কঙ্কালসার। Disease makes a man skin and bone. Slow coach, অলস বা অপদার্থ বা নির্বোধ। A slow coach like him cannot do it within this time. Square meal, পূর্ণ আহার। The poor cannot have 2 square meals a day. Step by step, ধীরে ধীরে বা ধারাবাহিকভাবে। Try to advance step by step. Show good manners, ভালো ব্যবহার দেখানো। You should show good manners in the company of young ladies. Silver spoon, প্রাচুর্যে জন্ম। He was born with a silver spoon in his mouth. Sit on the fence, সুবিধার জন্য নিরপেক্ষ থাকা। He always sits on the fence in the quarrel of neighbors. Smell a rat, সন্দেহ করা বা ষড়যন্ত্রের গন্ধ পাওয়া। When he was speaking frankly, I smelt a rat. Soft soup, মন বোলানো কথা। Never believe in others, soft soup. Spare no pains, যথাসাধ্য সবকিছু করা। Mr. তালুকদার spares no pains to win the election. Stay put, একই স্থানে থাকা। The father told his son to stay put in the room. Steal a Marson, তলে তলে কার্যসিদ্ধি করা। To steal a Marson was his sole purpose. Stone's throw, নিকটবর্তী। The school is at a stone's throw from our house. Straw vote, জনমত। Barack Obama is clearly ahead in straw vote. Swan song, শেষ কর্ম। What is the swan song of Tagore? Stick out, বাড়িয়ে দেওয়া। Her bright red dress made her stick out in the crowd at the party. Take effect, কার্যকর হওয়া। The new law takes effect from tomorrow. Take over, দায়িত্ব গ্রহণ করা। The new headmaster has taken over the charge of the school. Take place, সংগঠিত হওয়া। The function will take place in the school compound. Take the chair, সভাপতিত্ব করা। The headmaster takes the chair in all meetings. Tell to one's teeth, দাঁত ভাঙ্গা জবাব দেওয়া। If he attacks me, I will tell him in his teeth. Time and tide, সময় এবং স্রোত। Time and tide wait for none. Tit for tat, যেমন কুকুর তেমন মুগুর বা উপযুক্ত জবাব। I insulted him as a tit for tat. To bear in mind, স্মরণ রাখা। We should always bear in mind that Honesty is the best policy. To bear the expenses, ব্যয়ভার বহন করা. My uncle bears the expenses of my education. To break down, ভেঙে পড়া. His health broke down. To bring out, প্রকাশ করা. The publisher has brought out a new book of Jafar Iqbal. To carry on, চালিয়ে যাওয়া. It's difficult to carry on a conversation at a noisy party. To cope with, মানিয়ে নেওয়া. We should cope with difficulties. To gear up, গতি বাড়ানো. Gear up your spirit. To give up, পরিত্যাগ করা. You should give up smoking as soon as possible. To hold on, লেগে থাকা. Hold on to your studies. To keep pace with, তাল মিলিয়ে চলা. We should keep pace with the modern world. To play a role, ভূমিকা পালন করা. He played a role in creating this situation. To the letter, অক্ষর অক্ষরে. I will carry out your order to the letter. Toil and moil, পরিশ্রম করা. We love to toil and moil to make both ends meet. Take one to task, তিরস্কার করা. The teacher took the students to task for not learning their lessons. To and fro, এদিক ওদিক. Miscreants are loitering to and fro. To the point, সঠিক. He failed because his answers were not to the point. Take a fancy to, পছন্দ করা. Labib took a fancy to Lima. Telephone, ক্ষতি করা. Overeating tells upon human health. Through thick and thin, সুখে দুঃখে. A true friend remains beside his friends through thick and thin. Throw cold water, নিরুৎসাহিত করা. Nobody should throw cold water on the efforts of children. True word, কথা রাখা. A man of character is true to his word. Turn over a new leaf, নতুন অধ্যায়ের সূচনা করা. The invention of computer has turned over a new leaf in the history of modern science. Turn away, দূরে সরান বা মুখ ফেরান বা বরখাস্ত করা. The teacher had to turn away some students at the door because they were late for the exam. To end in smoke, ব্যর্থতায় পর্যবেসিত হওয়া. His big plans sadly ended in smoke. To get along with, মানিয়ে নেওয়া. They seem to get along with each other very well. To keep one's head, শান্ত করা. In stressful situations, she knows how to keep one's head. Under consideration, বিবেচনাধীন. The project is under consideration. Underage, নাবালক. He is underage. Under lock and key, তালাবদ্ধ. We could not enter the house as it was under lock and key. Under trial, বিচারাধীন. The case is under trial. Ups and downs, উত্থান পতন. He passed through many ups and downs in life. Useful for, উপকারী. A spade is useful for digging the soil. Up to date, আধুনিক বা হালনাগাদ. This is an up-to-date dusting machine firstly produced in the country. Useful to, প্রয়োজনীয়. Trees are useful to us in many ways. Up and doing, উঠে পড়ে লাগা. Be up and doing to prosper in life. Up to one's ears, মগ্ন থাকা. He is up to his ears in work and cannot possibly see you now. Used to, অভ্যস্ত. She used to struggle with English, but now it's her favorite subject. Various kinds of, অনেক প্রকারের. Various kinds of nuclear weapons have been produced by many countries. Very few, একেবারে নেই বললেই চলে. He has very few friends. Watery grave, সলিল সমাধি. The little girl met with a watery grave when the boat sank. Wear and tear, টানাপোড়েন বা দখল. The urban people suffer from the wear and tear of the city life. What not, আর কি নয়. I gave him food, shelter, money and what not. With lavish hand, মুক্ত হস্তে. He spends money with lavish hand. Without delay, অনতি বিলম্বে. You have to leave the place without delay. Without issue, নিঃসন্তান. He died without issue. Oil of, সচ্ছল. Once upon a time, the people of this village were well off. Oil and we, সুখ দুঃখ. We have to pass through oil and we in this worldly life. With a view to, উদ্দেশ্য. They went to Dhaka with a view to meeting the Prime Minister. Worthy of, যোগ্য. His ideals are worthy of emulation. White elephant, দামি কিন্তু অকেজো. The giant, unused shopping mall had become a white elephant. With a good grace, সানন্দে. He received us with a good grace. With open arms, উষ্ণভাবে. He always receives his guests with open arms. Word for word, হুবহু. He copied my essay word for word. Work against the clock, দ্রুত কাজ করা. Lima worked against the clock to get the homework finished before 10 p.m. Worth one's while, যথার্থ মূল্য দেয়া. He will do the job if you make it worth his while. Yellow dogs, নিচা ছয় ব্যক্তি. In the factory, there are many yellow dogs who disagree to consider the responsible demands of the workers. Year to year, বছর বছর. Style changes from year to year.